2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 by 2. What is the value for this expression? So we can write this expression as bracket 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Then now, according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, first we'll do the parenthesis, the bracket part. Then exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here you have to remember multiplication, division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here first we'll solve this parenthesis. In this you can see here more than one division is there. If more than one division is there, so go from left to right. So first solve this part. So bracket 2 divided by 2, which is 1, divide by 2, divide by 2. Bracket close, then divide by 2. Next, now we can write this as 1 by 2, divide by 2. Then next, here you know the KCF rule, which is keep, change, flip. Means in this, keep the first fraction as it is, change this division into multiplication, and flip this. 2 by 1 is there, so 1 by 2 will come. Divide by 2. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4 divide by 2. Again, KCF rule, 1 by 4 as it is, this multiplication and this 1 by 2. So the final value is 1 by 8.